Welcome to Arduino series, and in this video we will talk about the very first question: how can you turn an LED on and off with a button? Okay, so on the right side you see here the recent posts. Just click on this, the first link, and I have explained everything about it. I will do the practicals, so anyone who wants to learn can refer this blog and watch the entire video to understand the basic concept of how it works. Okay, that's the very first question we'll do in this series. So what exactly you need? You need an Arduino board. Right now I'm taking Arduino Uno. I have Nano, but I will be demonstrating on Arduino board, Arduino Uno. Then LED, I have 5mm LED. Then a resistor, a push button, two legs I have, and a breadboard and jumper wires. Okay, and here if you come down, here is a circuit diagram. So let's get into it, and then once the connection is done, we will see how we will copy the code from here and paste into Arduino IDE. Okay, these lines you see here, these are comments. This is inline comment here, so you can ignore this. I mentioned here just to describe or explain the code. Anyone who is beginner and has no knowledge about Arduino and learning Arduino can refer the entire blog, and you will get a lot of idea about it. So let's go ahead and start you know uh, setting up the wire connection, and then we will test. So the wire connection is done, and now I will go ahead and upload the code and see how it is working. Okay, the code has been uploaded, and if I push the button now, you see the LED is glowing. So this is working.